Beats.
Yeah, I'm on citrity. Blessings, some blessings, you call me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. Why am I choosing so hard? Anyway, if this is your first time stopping by, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Saygbah. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, of course, the most gorgeous place on the whole planet. On this channel, we do hair, beauty, hauls, get ready with me, and you know, the women stuff, workout, vlogging, and everything around the corner. So we tap into a little bit of everything, okay? So if this is your first time stopping by, I just want to say welcome, okay? I hope you love it here because I'm loving it, okay? There's no way you can stop by and not love this. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I started this amazing, okay, nice looking hair, okay? This was so easy. If I can do it, you can do it. So this wig is from WIGGINS. This is their, let me get everything out my head without looking at the information. It's 200 density, of course. That's why it's so full, so you can tell. Okay, it is full. This is the 200 density hair, 22-inch 13x4 frontal, 200 density, and a 22-inch wig. It came just like this, color and all that stuff, so I did not have to do nothing except for bleach the knots, pluck it, and install it. Okay, it was like pre-plugged already, so I didn't have to do much. So into this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieved this, okay? So this is the box the hair came in. It came with an elastic band, lashes, and some silk bag. So in this video, I'm gonna do a little pre-clip of how I bleach my frontal and also plug it. The hair, when I originally took it out of the box, it was super full. As you can see, it just, the knots was brown. Okay, due to the fact that I like wasting product, I just use a little bit. I use 1 scoop of bleach and a little bit of developer. I wash it as I go. I watch the consistency. I make sure everything is thick, okay, before I put it on the wig. I flip my wig upside down. I spray the front of it to make sure nothing go through it. Then I apply the product on it. If you want me to post the whole video, I can post it, but I didn't want the video to be too long, so I just made it short. And I kept it on there for 30 minutes. I kept washing it, then I took it off. For my bleaching is so simple. And also for my plugging, due to the fact that the hair was already like pre-plugged, so I literally did not have to do much at all. But I would say do it section by section. And you can put like a white towel or like a white paper towel underneath of it, because it help you watch and see how much hair you're taking off of it, and it lets you know if you're making the lace bald or not. And that's how much hair I took off of it. I did not do a lot at all. I just did a little bit. And if you see my other video, I'm gonna just let you watch as I apply this wig. Thanks for watching. Let's keep watching. We're here for it. watched this video to the full end, I just want to say thanks for stopping by. Thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate all the love and the support you give me. It takes a lot to make these videos, okay? It might be like a little 14 minutes, 15 minutes to y'all, but for us, it's longer. So anybody that take the time to watch my video, I really do appreciate it in so many ways. I know I don't say that all the time on this channel, but I really do appreciate everybody's support, okay? I appreciate y'all so, so much, okay? So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
Yes, beats.